Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie Mai, Program Quality Manager for Idaho Career and Technical Education, and welcome to the Health Professions and Public Safety Update for 2020. I'm so sorry we weren't able to meet at REACH this year due to the obvious safety and COVID situation, but I hope this brief video helps to give you an idea of what we've been working on your behalf this summer and some of the things that we have planned for the upcoming year. First, I want to give a huge shout out to every one of you for the work that you did last spring and continue to do during what was supposed to be a summer break for you and all of the new fun challenges you may face this fall. To say thank you wouldn't be enough, but thank you anyway. Your dedication and perseverance are truly paying off, so thank you. Okay, let's get started with this year's updates. I'd like to start by sharing a short welcome to the new teachers thus far. I'm sorry if I've missed anyone since information is still coming in as we speak, but take a minute to see who our brave new colleagues are and what they're teaching and where they're located, and reach out for some mentoring and support if they're somewhere nearby you. Welcome, everyone. Now, on to the upcoming work for this year. As always, we have some continued work on some of our pathways. So we'll meet in October, hopefully, to develop the TSA, Technical Skills Assessment, which is our capstone test for the new medical assisting pathway. We will also be looking at scheduling time to determine the cut score for the EMT Technical Assistance or Technical Skills Assessment, and we're looking into the potential to be completing post-secondary alignment for law enforcement, firefighting, and hopefully rehab services, all to be determined, obviously. For curriculum, we plan to have the new guide for the CNA programs completed by this fall to roll out. However, those plans changed, as you know, as the CNA programs had several other challenges this year. So we hope to finalize these changes by the end of the coming academic year, maybe roll out a draft in late spring for review. So I will keep those program teachers up to date on that. As far as program reviews and program visits, I'm really hoping to be able to do some of these this year. As you know, it will just depend on the safety for all involved and if we're able to come into the districts. We have developed some new processes and an official program review process with new documentation and some self-assessments. So I'll share that out later in a different meeting and video. Now, some of you have actually heard of GEAR funding most recently. It's part of federal funding, the CARES Act, in response to the COVID-19 for use in K-12 education. Our office has been evaluating, with the help of the survey responses we received from many of you this summer, how to best utilize some of the funding to assist all CTE programs. Some of the things may include face-to-face lesson plans, virtual platforms, workplace readiness curriculum that may be used virtually, and just any other helpful tool that may be of use directly for teachers in the classroom. So there's going to be more to come on that, so stay tuned. So that's really about all for the updates right now for the coming year. For more details on funding, Perkins, program quality as a whole, make sure to watch the general program quality update video that is presented by Justin Touchstone and Adrian San-Miguel. Now, I'd like to share a little bit more about our professional development opportunities, support, and some technical assistance. I know many of us are a bit zoomed out or will be in the near future because we're missing out on a lot of our normal collaboration and networking time. So I'd like to try to schedule some time to do best practices, just teacher collaboration and share outs if possible, just to stay connected a little bit. Now this may work well, it may be overwhelming. We're just going to see how it goes. So watch for more information from either Ruby Jones or myself with doodle polls to check availability, and we'll just see how it goes. We'll also record these, so if you can't make it in person, it'll always be available later. If you have specific tools to share, let me know. I'd love to host some professional development sessions specifically presented by Idaho teachers for Idaho teachers, so just let me know. Now, don't forget there are also some great teacher associations available to use in conjunction with your own professional associations. I've been researching some public safety teacher orgs since Idaho doesn't have a specific one, and wanted to share one that I've learned about, just in case you may be interested in it. And if you have other professional networks for teachers in this area, please let me know. I'll research it and see what our options are for the state of Idaho. For the health professions teachers, don't forget about the great resources we have with NESHE. Idaho is a member state of this consortium, so we get some added benefits and resources from them as well. As part of the consortium, we do have a teacher association. It was developed directly for our health teachers in all areas of health professions in CTE. So you can join their private Facebook page for free resources anytime. Teachers all across the country post and share if you have questions about your classroom. Lots of people jump on to answer and assist as well. Now, of course, we also have our Idaho Health Profession Educator Association. Watch for more information coming from our president, Tanya Bocut. Since we didn't get a chance to have our annual business meeting at Reach, we'll send some more information out soon. Just a couple more updates. Don't forget that you may use your added cost funds now to pay for some of your association dues as well. Also, we finally updated our website. Yay! The goal of the update was to make the main site more of a public-facing site, so a little bit easier for parents, teachers, students, and the community to find information when searching. So now for all things specifically related to teachers and administrators, we've developed a teacher portal, which you can see right up on the top right of the web page. So this is where we'll find our forms, shared curriculum, best practices, grant applications, and anything else related to specifics necessary for you and your programs in CTE. I'll send more information out to you when our portals are complete, but it's going to be so much easier so far than the old website navigation used to be. Okay. That is it for our very short annual program update this year. Again, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now you know how your students feel. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or concerns you have anytime. I'm here to help you with all things CTE, so I really look forward to seeing you either face-to-face or virtually this year. And I wish you all the best with the new semester. Stay safe and stay healthy.